autumn is here, and with it comes a tidal wave of design shifts that promise to transform your living spaces into cozy, stylish retreats. If you've ever felt that irresistible urge to swap out your summer decor for something more seasonal, you're not alone. This fall, interior designers are buzzing about must-try trends that blend nature's palette with bold forms and textures that make a statement. But here's where it gets controversial. Are these trends truly timeless, or just fleeting fads? Let's explore what's shaping homes in 2025 and how you can make these looks work for you. To get the inside scoop, we spoke with two experts deeply immersed in the world of interior design: Emily LaMarque, founder of Emily LaMarque Design Studio, and Chou, who heads Design Determination. Both offer incredible insights on the focal points of fall decor and practical advice to bring these trends home without breaking the bank. Stone takes center stage. There's a noticeable move this year toward incorporating natural, earthy materials. Stone, in particular, is having a moment. Emily LaMarque points out how striking stone elements, such as eye-catching bathroom vanities or side tables with dramatic veining, instantly warm up a space. These heavy, grounded pieces connect us to the outdoors and add a cozy, tactile depth that's perfect for the fall season. Imagine stepping into a room where the textures and materials echo the autumn landscape. There's something both elemental and elegant about that. Personalized and DIY furniture touches. Maximalism isn't going anywhere. In fact, people are craving more personality in their homes than ever before. Chou emphasizes the appeal of custom finishes, whether it's a lamp base brushed in bronze or a side table finished with hand-stained wood. The best part? You don't need a major renovation to embrace this trend. Sometimes, simple swaps, like changing cabinet handles to aged brass or repainting a dresser in matte tones, can dramatically personalize your space. These small adjustments energize your decor with a unique, curated vibe. Rich, nature-inspired colors. This year's fall color palette steps away from predictable neutrals and dives into the warmth of nature. Chou predicts an embrace of earthy mid-tones. Think terracotta clay, olive greens, mossy hues, and a honey-tinged ochre, all contrasted against deep, moody shades like indigo and smoky plum. These colors bring a fresh yet grounded look that feels sophisticated without being cold or overly stark. Emily LaMarque encourages experimenting with these hues on unexpected surfaces like cabinetry, walls, or even decorative moldings, offering a welcoming break from the endlessly popular whites and grays. Reviving vintage finds with a twist. Sustainability is reshaping how we think about decorating, and fall is an ideal season for integrating secondhand treasures into your design. Emily suggests breathing new life into forgotten items. A vintage chair reupholstered to suit modern tastes, a grandmother's chandelier repurposed as a centerpiece, or unique flea market finds displayed as conversation starters. This approach not only adds charm and history, but also promotes eco-friendly design choices. Isn't it amazing how the past can inform and beautify our present? Functional sculptural design. An exciting trend for this fall is the rise of sculptural forms that serve double duty as both art and daily essentials. Chou highlights how affordable items like ceramic vases with flowing shapes, candlesticks featuring playful twists, or lamps with rounded bases can elevate a room's character. These aren't just decorative pieces, they offer beauty with practical use, transforming everyday objects into focal points. Layering cozy, uneven textures. While softness is always a fall favorite, 2025 introduces a rugged twist to tactile comfort. Chou points out the growing popularity of materials like boucle fabrics, rattan furniture, and raw wood finishes. When layered thoughtfully, these elements create inviting and textured environments that convey warmth and dimension without feeling overly polished. Perfect for those lazy autumn afternoons at home. Graceful, rounded furniture silhouettes. Curves are in, but not in an overpowering way. Influenced by designers like Sophie Collet and Gustav Westman, furniture this year embraces gentle, organic shapes that blend seamlessly with vintage or retro elements. Emily LaMarque notes that these softly rounded forms create an inviting, timeless ambiance, a graceful alternative to sharp, angular furniture. T.C. Chou adds that these curves bring a welcoming softness to spaces, making rooms feel more approachable and lived in. Each of these trends offers unique ways to refresh your space and reflect the season's spirit. But here's the question that might spark some debate. Are these bold shifts in texture, color, and form really sustainable design choices? Or just trendy experiments that might quickly fade? What do you think? Will you be adopting these looks in your home this fall? Or are you holding out for something more classic? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Let's start a vibrant conversation about what fall decor truly means to you.